Well, hello there, good morning on a beautiful sunny but windy day here in Brownfield, Texas, the home of the world famous Bailey Toliver RV. This is Marcus, my good buddy here. I'm Steve, and we are 30 minutes?
30 minutes southwest of Lubbock.
All right.
The drive every morning is pretty easy.
What are we going to look at today there, Marcus?
We've got a wonderful little Keystone hideout, great little premium, mini trailer, but it's a good entry level, but it's built like a great one. This one is a 175 bunkhouse.
Let's take a quick look at it here. We got the awning out just a little bit because of our winds here. If you get more than about 15 miles an hour, we really recommend having that canopy in. If you ever leave the trailer, even if it's calm, put that canopy in. It'll save you headaches later. But I'd just like to show you a couple of features over here. This does come with a propane tank. It comes with a battery. And check this out. I've always been kind of leery on not having an electric tongue jack, but very easy to crank this thing up and bring it down, so no issues doing anything like that. I just want to give a quick walk around the side over here and show you you've got this pass-through storage. It's all prepped for solar already. So if you want to put solar panels on it, it's all set, ready to go. You got your power cord, which is 30 amp, and it's got a little garage for it, and plus keep little critters out. Locks down. Freshwater connection when you're using taking your own water with you into the fresh water tank. That's where that goes. City water connection when you're hooking up with a hose. You've got your gray and black tank dumps right here, very convenient at the rear of the trailer.
I got a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Because this is 17 foot long for the box.
Yeah.
And it's got a tankless water heater.
It does.
Are you kidding me?
Tankless hot water heater. Check this out, Chuck.
Heck yeah, that's a good solid 15-20 minute shower if I want it.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. You got manual stabilizer jacks, then you come around the back, spare tire. If you're at a campground that actually has cable or satellite, you got the hookups for it. Just everything you need on a entry-level trailer for your family. If you gotta take a margarita blender or something with you, or a coffee pot and you want it outside, you got power to hook that up to right there. You got your furnace, and then here we go.
Steve, I don't know if you noticed on that plug, you see that yellow tag right there?
Yeah.
Inverted outlet. So this trailer is wired for an inverter, pre-wired. So
wow.
You could put an inverter and all these plugs would become live on your 12-volt batteries. So even if you were dry camping, if you put in the inverter, you can still have your margarita machine.
Or grind your coffee.
Yeah, exactly right. Let's
cool.
go inside and see what we got in here. I think this is going to be a one-person job in here for a minute.
Well, Marcus, I transpose this all to you.
Well, let's start back here in the back, kind of show you just a few basic things on the trailer. Nice 3-piece washroom. Does have a good size shower. If you're taking your kids with you, you can always put a little bit of water down in that basin area, a little bit of a tub to give the little babies a little bath. Again, with the inverted plugs, the control for your water heater right there. So you can set your temperature where you want and get plenty of water. We have the EverChill 12-volt refrigerator with the freezer drawer.
Well, a lot of trailers this size do not come with a freezer.
I was looking at a couple of the minis the other day, and it surprised me when I opened them up and there was no freezer. I mean, my kids got to have, like little popsicles and things like that. There's no way. I'm not going to listen to them scream. Microwave. 2-burner cooktop. Now you are going to want to bring a lighter with you. This one's going to take a match to light it up. But 2-burner cooktop. Still, we don't spare a lot. We still have the fan. We still have the light. Tons of storage. Big drawers on ball bearing slides. They extend all the way out, and you're not worried about your drawer falling off.
Oh yeah.
Plus, it'll hold a lot of weight.
That looks like that's solid wood.
It is solid wood. One of the great things in here when you're looking at them, because a lot of times in these small trailers, they scrimp, they cut corners trying to get the costs down. These things are made out of solid wood. They're painted.
Not particle board.
Not particle board.
Okay.
Solid wood, painted or stained. And then on the inside, you can feel with your fingers, there's little pocket screws in there. So they actually drill a hole, fill it full of glue, run the screws into it. So if you look inside them, they've added the lights and the USB ports. I mean, I know my kids at night like to lay in bed and either watch movies on their iPad or text their friends or watch TikTok or whatever, and they're going to run those batteries down. So it's nice having USB ports there for them. Plus my oldest likes to read. USB ports. I mean, I know my kids at night like to lay in bed and either watch movies on their iPad or text their friends or watch TikTok or whatever, and they're going to run those batteries down.
It's not a cave, it's wide open too. You know, several others have that just walled in where you only have that little entry.
Glad you took a little bit of time with us today so we could show you what a really nice premium small trailer looks like. So even if you're buying an entry trailer, you don't have to scrimp.
I agree. This thing's got, man, definitely I can spend a week in this thing and be good to go.
Well, Steve, let's get ready to go sell something.
Okay, but in the meantime, we just want to remind you that we are Bailey Toliver RV, Brownfield, Texas, 30 minutes southwest of Lubbock. And Marcus and I here, we are
The RV Ninjas.